Hello everyone, welcome to Cat with Clarity. In today's video, we are starting one of the most important quant chapters, profit and loss. This chapter is extremely important for SSC, banking, CAT and all aptitude exams. And the best part is, if your percentage concept is clear, this chapter becomes super easy. So in this video, we'll learn cost price, selling price, profit, loss, profit percentage, loss percentage, discount, shortcut tricks, and solve important questions. Where do we use profit and loss? Profit and loss is not just for exams. Whenever you buy something online, see discounts, or any shopkeeper sells a product, profit and loss is happening everywhere. Now let's understand some basic terms. Cost price. It means the price at which we purchase an item. Selling price. It means the price at which we sell the item. If selling price is greater than cost price, then profit happens. Example, I bought a pen at rupees 10 and sold it for rupees 15. Profit equal to 15 minus 10, which is rupees 5. If cost price is greater than selling price, then loss happens. Example, I bought a bag for rupees 100 and sold for rupees 80. Loss equal to 100 minus 80 equal to 20. To calculate profit percentage, we divide profit by cost price and multiply by 100. Remember, percentage is always calculated on cost price. Same concept for loss percentage. Loss percentage is loss divided by cost price into 100. Now let's look at a few questions. Question 1. A shopkeeper bought a watch for rupees 500 and sold it for rupees 650. Find profit percentage. Okay, so the price at which it was bought is cost price, so cost price is 500. Price at which it is sold is 650, so selling price is 650. Now profit equal to selling price minus cost price equal to 650 minus 500 equal to 150. Profit percentage equal to profit divided by cost price into 100, so 150 divided by 500 into 100 equal to 30%. So the answer is 30% profit. Now let's look at the next question. An item was bought for rupees 100 and sold for rupees 720. Find loss percentage. Try this one yourself before seeing the solution. Now let's look at the solution. So here cost price equal to 800, selling price equal to 720. So loss equal to selling price minus cost price equal to 800 minus 720 equal to 80. Loss percentage equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. So 80 divided by 800 into 100 equal to 10%. So the answer is there is a 10% loss. Now let's look at discount. What is discount? There is first a market price, which means the original listed price. If a shopkeeper gives reduction, that reduction is called discount. So that reduction is on marked price, and selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. Now let's look at a question on discount. Marked price equal to rupees 1000, discount equal to 20%, find selling price. So I told you that discount is on the mark price. So discount will become how much? 20% of mark price, which is 20% of 1000 equal to 200. So selling price equal to mark price minus discount. So 1000 minus 200 equal to 800. So our selling price is 800. Now let's look at the shortcut trick. This shortcut is very important. If profit is 20%, selling price becomes 120% of cost price, which in other words is 1.2 multiplied by cost price. Similarly, if we have a loss of 10%, selling price becomes 90% of cost price, which is turn is equal to 0.9 into cost price. This shortcut saves huge time in exams. Now let's look at an exam level question. A product is sold at 25% profit for rupees 500. Find cost price. So here profit is 25% and selling price is 500. We have to find cost price. So I just told you that selling price will be how much? Cost price into 125%, which in other words is 1.25 multiplied by cost price equal to selling price. Here selling price is 500. So we put it in the formula. So we get cost price equal to 500 divided by 1.25, which is equal to 400. So cost price is 400. Now this we have used the shortcut. I showed you the shortcut. If 20% profit, so selling price equal to 120% of cost price. Similarly, if 25% is profit, then selling price equal to 125% of cost price, which is 1.25 multiplied by cost price. One of the most common mistakes students make, that they can sometimes calculate percentages on selling price, but profit and loss percentage is always calculated on cost price, not selling price. Now let's quickly recap what we learned in this video. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price, loss equal to cost price minus selling price, profit percentage equal to profit by cost price into 100, loss percentage equal to loss by cost price into 100, selling price equal to mark price minus discount. If you understood this chapter, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Next, we'll cover average chapter with shortcut tricks and exam questions. Also find my Telegram link in the description. See you in the next video. Thank you.